The PlayStation Portal has fast become one of the best-selling handheld consoles in today's world, selling out in almost all stores across the UK. Getting hold of one is proving to be very difficult. So what do? Well, we look at an alternative solution. There is something available in the market for a fraction of the cost which could give you a similar experience. Firstly, grab yourself one of these. A mobile phone clamp for P5 controller costing a whole £4, which is 2% the cost of a PS Portal. When have you ever had a chance to experience something for 2% the original price? For £4, it wouldn't be fair to complain about the packaging even if it arrived wrapped in banana leaves, but we cannot leave this topic open. The packaging is weak, not very appealing, and has suffered a few bruises whilst in transit. On the back you have the instructions, description and hazard warnings, which has the barcode plastered across it, and it is very difficult to remove the sticker. Let's get this box open and see what's inside. You get the all-in-one P5 controller and phone clamp. You don't get a user manual or a warranty card at all. Let's talk about the item. The design is simple and very convenient. The bottom part which holds the controller is made of plastic. It's not a very tough plastic, so I would say take some care when handling, but I am confident if you use this item properly you won't crack or break it. The controller fits inside the case perfectly. The clip which holds it in place is strong. I don't think this will randomly just clip open or break, as it has a good grip in its place. All the buttons can easily be pressed without any interference, and the charging port at the back is easily accessible. Once you have this fitted in, you probably would just keep this one controller to the side and use it for remote play purposes only. So the controller would not need taking out, hence lowering the risk of it getting damaged. The top part is a more tougher plastic, and this is where your phone will go in. To move it about, you just hold the side button and you have lots of different angles for it to stick up. Once you have it at your preferred angle, let go of the button and it will just hold its position. The hole is strong, so there is no risk of it falling apart randomly. This is the furthest it goes, which is a perfect angle, so we ain't complaining. It houses many different sizes of phones, and to fit it in you just pull on the top part and clip the phone in. At the smallest the width is 6 cm and at the largest the width is 10 cm, so you decide if your phone will fit in. Once you are done with the item, you just put the phone holder back into this position and it can be easily stored away. Installation of the product is very simple. You will need to download Remote Play from the App Store, and through your Wi-Fi connect the app to your PS5. Make sure you have enabled Remote Play in the PS5 settings beforehand. To connect the controller, in the app press the controller icon at the top and the instructions are all on screen. An overall very simple and fast installation process, a difficulty rating of 1 out of 5. Of course you need a phone and a controller which have costs associated with them in order to have this experience, but it really is like killing two birds with one stone. If you have a PS5, then you have a controller, and when you are away from the PS5 you can take the controller with you, as it has no benefit sat at home. It's not like someone else can play the PS5 whilst you are in remote play, so taking the pad with you makes a lot of sense. With the mobile phone element, well, everyone has a smartphone these days capable enough to download PS Remote Play, so it's not really worth mentioning the savings on that side, as it is blatantly obvious. There really is nothing you are missing by using this alternative instead of the PS Portal. With the PS5 controller you still get to experience the haptic feedback and adaptive triggers, so it's even better than a backbone. It's lightweight, so transporting it is not an issue. Most public places have Wi-Fi and you only need 5 megabits download speed to run the Remote Play. You can even run it on your mobile phone data, an option not even available on the PS Portal, and if you have good connection you will get brilliant results. A massive plus is that your phone most likely has an OLED screen, so your visual experience will be better than the PS Portal, which sadly only has an LED screen. Yeah, you miss out on the animation when logging in on the portal, but who would pay hundreds more just for that? Only thing I can fault with this product is that the controller needs a bit getting used to, as it is obviously heavier than usual due to the phone mounted on top. Let me know what you lot think in the comment section below. Is this a good idea, or do you just recommend getting the PS Portal, which is already difficult to get hold of? This is the Unboxing Beard, and we just unboxed the mobile phone clamp for P5 controller.